The spiritual dynamics of torque in love. Every marriage turns, but not every turn is toward God. Torque's direction depends on how the forces are applied. The same magnitude, when applied in a different orientation, can spin an object clockwise or counterclockwise. The forces in marriage, love, words, decisions, can turn you toward unity or toward destruction. The strength is the same, the orientation is everything. Death and life are in the power of the tongue. Proverbs 18:21. It's not how strong your love is, it's where it's aimed. Small shifts in force can completely change the outcome. In torque, even a slight increase in the perpendicular distance between the force and the pivot multiplies rotational effect dramatically. Small acts of service, small shifts in tone, small moments of prayer, these multiply the turning power of love far more than grand gestures. Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. Luke 16:10. In love, small angles make big turns. Too much torque at the wrong moment will break what you meant to move. Excessive torque can shear bolts, strip gears, or snap axles, overpowering the very structure you're trying to rotate. A good cause pursued with harshness, urgency, or pride can damage the relationship you're trying to guide. Love must be applied with both strength and gentleness. Let your gentleness be evident to all. Philippians 4:5. Strength without gentleness is just destruction in disguise. The point of rotation matters more than the size of the force. In torque, two forces, one purpose. That's how you keep turning in the right direction. In mechanics, a couple works best when forces are synchronized in both magnitude and timing. When husband and wife pray, plan, and act in sync, the marriage turns toward God's destiny without drift. Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. Ephesians 4:3. Unity is love's perfect timing.